Hi guys, it's me Raymond here again, and I've got my portfolio here completed finally, and yeah, so far it's looking pretty good. Liking it pretty much. It's yeah, I think this kind of portfolio best represents the kind of work I want to do, and hopefully later a studio, would take a look at this in the future and pick me up on it. So yeah, I've got my environment designs, concept designs, and some illustrated work. Um, I wasn't quite sure if I wanted to put my client work because my client work it's mostly just graphic design, and the type of work I want to do is entertainment design, and they're both different, and I'm gonna show you. So yeah, let's do environment design, and yeah, here I put my top favorite good-looking pieces. Um, there's not many. I've only chose a few, and it's a good idea just to only put your best into them because a how do you say, a art director or whoever looks at it, if they see one bad piece, it's really over. They're not gonna choose you really, but but yeah, it's always a good idea just to put your best work and not a whole bunch of bad art. And back. I hope it works. Alright, there we go. My little screen was in the way. And then here we go, concept designs. These are my favorite thumbnails. And here's the alien design. That one I really like. It's very concept art-like. I got sort of the orthographic kind of view here, and it's kitty, and it's little the designs on how it moves and stuff, is including its mechanical parts and how it shoots its lasers. And here I got the full finished design on what it looked like if it would be rendered. And yeah, this Samurai Dojo design I made, and I thought it was pretty good, pretty good simple design. Yeah, not too much. And then here's my illustrated work. Oh man, yeah, that one I really like. My favorite piece of all. And yeah, the tornado and the chupacabra, and oh yeah, that's about it. And yeah, they're pretty much favorite works. Just three of them. The other stuff I showed you, they're not very good at all. They're pretty much all rushed, and yeah, I just mostly just played it safe. I can't. And but yeah, like I said, if you got like a bad piece in there, it's gonna lower your chances of getting hired. And but I thought about the freelancing business, but I think it's more how do you say, you get more of a chance of being a freelancer if you work for someone, like a studio, because freelancers, mostly all the freelancers in the entertainment industry had some sort of background, and that's why they get to choose a lot. And if I was to do freelancing with this kind of portfolio, I don't think I have a chance at all, to be honest. So I just really hope I do just go and get into like a studio somewhere. And here's my contact information. Got it right here, my name, email, telephone number. And then my resume, which is a download PDF where you can just, oh no, it's not working on my tablet. Here we go. Just copy and then paste it here on a link, and then you can just view it from here. And so, yeah. And yeah, that's about it for this kind of portfolio that I have. It's, it's just very simple. It gets right to the point, and that's sort of advice I took from all the other concept designers, is just make it simple and yeah, just make it easy to be viewable, because a lot of these art directors and the people that hire you, they're going through many portfolios. You're not the only one sending a portfolio to a game industry. There's like many more people that are putting portfolios out there, and the guys, they're trying to get to it as fast as they can. And yeah, that's also the reason why I don't have an About Me page, because they don't really care about that at all. That's what I assumed that I heard. So yeah, I just played it safe and followed the advice, and just yeah, do what I've heard from the guys and implement it into here. And yeah, that's that wraps that wraps about up. Yeah, tell me what you guys think about this portfolio, and yeah, give me comments. See you guys. Bye.